Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Start by sketching a low-profile rectangle for the body and a trapezoid for the roofline, using light pencil strokes. Block in wheel centers and the wheelbase distance so proportions stay accurate. Focus on the car's silhouette before adding details like vents, splitter, and rear wing. Keep lines loose until proportions feel right, then refine confidently with darker strokes. Warm up your hand and refine the overall proportions by adjusting hood slope and roof curvature to match the Aventador silhouette. Carefully place the angular headlights and front intakes, checking symmetry across the center line. Shape the wheel arches around the wheel centers so the stance feels planted and aggressive. Work from large shapes down to smaller planes, cleaning up overlapping lines and preserving the car's sharp, geometric character as you go. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. I really appreciate it. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's black ice is perfect for keeping your car fresh while you work on detailing, and it adds a little personality to your studio. Pick one up for your ride and enjoy the scent while sketching, then check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now focus on detailing. Carve the vents, side skirts, and the distinctive rear wing with confident, angular lines to match the SVJ aesthetic. Add wheel spokes and visible brake calipers for realism, and define tire walls with clear shading. Use soft gradients to suggest curved panels and stronger contrast in side intakes and vents to convey depth. Keep strokes deliberate and consistent, then step back to adjust highlights and darks until the car pops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.